Hello everyone, and today is going to be something a bit different. Today I'm going to be unboxing, as part of my new series, we're going to be unboxing gift boxes and box sets, because some of you leading up to Christmas want to know what to buy people or what to ask for. So today I've ordered the Brewdog gift set, which comes with a schooner glass, which I'm guessing will not quite be pint size. But let's take a look inside. This cost me $19.95 from Amazon. Let's take a look and see what we can see. Ooh, what does that say? By drinking Brewdog, you're having a positive impact on the planet. That's how it's displayed. I've not opened this box yet. Let's see what we can see. Let's first take out the centerpiece. Brewdog glass. My wife is going to kill me. I've already got enough glasses. This is the Brewdog glass. Got the shield on there. And then on the back it says, United we stand for better beer. So I'm going to give this a quick rinse. And then we'll be back on the beer. Advise, washing the glasses. Don't drink them straight out of the box. Here we go. Here's how the box came. We've got 6 cans here. We've got a Punk IPA, which is Postmodern Classic. I will review all these beers in time. We've got Lost. I've seen that before in a big bottle. Brewdog Lost, which is a Planet First lager. We've got the Ready Salted of Brewdog range, just the original, if you like, and I will review it at some point. Hazy Jane. We've got Dead Pony Club Session IPA. I'm the IPA man after all, it seems now. We've got Planet Pale Ale. And last but not least, I've reviewed this in bottle, but not in can, Elvis Juice. That's how it comes. I'm going to put these back in for now till I get around to reviewing them. But since you've come here to see a review of this box set, what came with it, how good it is, I do think for the price, for these small cans, you are paying between £2 and £3 a can. And I do think, so between £2 and £3 a can, you're getting 6 cans. That's between 12 and 18 quid. But even if you're only getting them for £2 a can at a good price, that's 12 quid. You're only paying 8 quid for a glass, really. And this glass is going to be good for 330ml cans, I assume. It's a smaller glass, it's not quite a pint. I did wash it out. There's some water. Anyway, since I reviewed this already in bottle from the grapefruit infused IPA, Elvis Juice, I will give it a quick pour out now just to kind of show you the glass. But essentially these Tuesday videos are going to be box sets of beer in case there's something you might be interested in buying yourself or buying for someone else or asking for Christmas. That's a nice glass actually. It's called a schooner glass. Don't know the ins and outs of it. I've tried this before. This is a nice beer, if I remember rightly. If you like Elvis Juice, comment below. If you're going to buy this, comment below. What do you think about it? I've got a few more box sets down the line. This Tuesday show is going to be sort of festive. It's because Christmas is on the way. You don't want to wait until the last minute to see what these box sets look like. But again, you know, you've got that glass there. Looks alright. That's a nice glass. I mean, as I say, I've got too many glasses already, but if I'm reviewing a 330ml can, I will probably use this glass. It's a nice glass. And obviously I've reviewed Elvis Juice before, but let's just see what it's like again, out of a can. Not chilled, obviously. You've seen me open out the box. It's nice. Grapefruit is a nice taste. Juiced up and ready to roll. That's exactly what I am right now. Drinking Elvis Juice. That's a nice little box set. I've gone through that quite quickly, but again, if I was getting this as a gift, this is quite good. But if I was buying this as a gift for 20 quid, you can't go wrong. You've seen the beers that are in there. You've seen the box it came in. I got it from Amazon for $19.95. As I say, at most you're paying 8 quid for that glass. It's a nice glass. I mean, a lot of the time you've got pint glasses, which is fair enough. Fair enough, you have a pint glass for beer, right? But if you're buying some Brewdog, or I'm yet to review, but Beavertown do 330ml cans. It's nice to have a glass that fits the 330ml cans rather than pouring it into a pint glass and having so much spare. But it's nice to have a little stand as well for it there. Yeah, I really like that. You've got the Brewdog logo, as I've said before. Then on the back, United we stand for better beer. As always, comment, like, do you like Brewdog? Which Brewdog should I try that I've not tried yet? I will be reviewing all of the Brewdog inside that box set as it comes to it. But since I've already reviewed Elvis Juice, I thought I'd just give it a try in the glass again for this review of the box set. And on Tuesdays, I'll be reviewing box sets every now and then up till Christmas. If you want to see what different breweries have for gift packs and box sets, you might want to ask for it yourself. You might want to buy one for someone else. We'll see. Thursdays will be Thirsty Thursdays, and weekends, hopefully, will be trip vlogs still. So tune into those. I appreciate you watching. Cheers.